Hello, this is Stephanie from PassTheCMAExam.com. Are you thinking about the CMA exam? Let's go through the 5 benefits you can get from this certification. First, gold standard in management accounting. Your aunts and neighbors may never heard of CMA. In the corporate accounting world, however, CMA is a very respected certification. CMA is the advanced professional certification specifically designed to measure the critical accounting and financial management skills. This is especially relevant for success in a business environment. Second, this is arguably the most global management accounting certification. CMA is the largest in this niche, but the vast majority of members are located in the UK and to a lesser extent, Europe and Commonwealth countries. The number of CMA is smaller, but it is now the most popular management accounting certification not only in the US, but also in the fastest developing regions, namely China and the Middle East. As you can see from the chart from Strategic Finance magazine, almost half of the new CMA candidates came from the Middle East, that is, UAE, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Jordan, and almost 1/4 from Asia Pacific, namely China and India. Third, CMAs get paid more. Let's face it, we want to learn, but ultimately, we need the certification to get better paid jobs. According to the annual IMA survey published in March 2016, CMA certification holders earn 60% more than their non-certified counterparts. Fourth, for many, CMA skills are more practical. Various industry journals have indicated that 80% of accountants end up in non-public accounting. The management accounting knowledge and skill is in fact more useful for these professionals. Many dual CPA and CMA holders find the materials covered in CMA more interesting and practical in their daily work. Fifth, IMA makes it easy for us. Unlike the CPA exam in which getting qualified is sometimes harder than passing the exam itself, the IMA makes things clear, simple, and organized for applicants. Candidates are required to have a bachelor's degree, take a rigorous exam, and accumulate 2 continuous years of relevant experience to get certified. The test is tough, but IMA makes the process of becoming a CMA as smooth as possible. Candidates can focus on passing the exam and fulfilling the experience, instead of getting stuck with the bureaucracy and conflicting rules from different state boards. Sounds great, but how does this benefit me? Let's see if the CMA certification may benefit your career. First, can the CMA certification land you a better job? Please grab a pen and paper and write down 3 dream companies you want to work for, and 3 dream positions within these companies. Then, look at this list and see if these are the companies you'd like to work for. These Fortune 500 companies are known to have CMAs in their key management roles. You'll notice that the majority are big global corporations more focused in manufacturing. If your ideal workplace matches with the list above, the CMA is great for you. Second, are you sure you don't want to be an auditor or tax accountant? If you aren't sure, the CMA certification may not be good for you, at least at this stage. There is little use if you aspire to work in a public accounting firm, either as an auditor or in tax. On the other hand, if you want to build your career in corporate accounting, this certification really enhances your profile and knowledge in the field. Third, is CMA truly valued where I live? It's nice to know the 60% salary premium CMAs enjoy, and that CMAs are in low supply. But honestly, does this average figure mean much? Probably not, because the demand for CMAs is different in different regions across the US and around the world. So how do you know if CMA is valued in your area? It's time for research. Check out online recruiting sites such as Monster.com and Indeed.com. or other equivalent sites in your home country. Then, type in Certified Management Accountant and see if there are jobs pop up in your area. Note that CMA is slightly too broad because it covers Certified Medical Assistants and a few other certifications. Take a look at the industry, job description, and salary range. See if these opportunities excite you. Last but not least, check out why my bloggers decided to take on the CMA exam. You may click on their photos to go to their blog posts. I hope this video gives you a general idea how the CMA certification may benefit your career. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a note below. You may also want to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information on this exam. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.